Cool.
Yeah, what month is it in Australia?
I don't even know. I've been so busy editing.
Because Heather, it's crazy. Like it's summer
June.
here.
Yeah.
But June is summer.
No, June is winter. It's freezing. Look at me.
That's crazy.
I've got the red
Really?
nose. It's so bloody cold out here. Look at
You're-
How cold
even
is
my
it over
dog
there?
has a coat. It's probably about 5 degrees, I reckon. But I don't know what
Celsius. That doesn't mean anything. She does this every single time.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm not sure what that is, but no, it sounds cold.
Cold.
It sounds
Look
cold.
at us. We're all rugged up. Oh.
It's like 45 or 50 degrees or something like that.
Oh,
The Dachshund doesn't have a jacket on though. He's tough.
he's tough. Okay.
That's Australian for dachshund. What she just said.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
I could tell.
Yeah, you could tell. Do you not ever say Dachshund over there?
No.
No?
No one says dachshund.
Alright.
No, nobody says dachshund.
Nobody says
It's a wiener dog.
No.
If you say dachshund here, somebody's probably thinking greyhound.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, right.
Yep, yep, yep,
Or
for sure.
I have put my pug on the dashboard of the car before, and I've called her a dachshund. So
Your Pope?
no, my pug.
Oh, pug. I thought you said your Pope. Like you carried around the Pope with you.
Well, maybe.
I was like, you got one of those pocket bags?
How nice.
Oh, look at this. Ayla's here sniffing the dice, and she's already trying to push it onto
Yeah.
her.
It's not going to work. It always lands on Mattis.
It does. Have you seen any of these episodes? Because
Yeah, I saw the one with Jax.
Oh, nice.
Really? Yeah. Well, every time we seem to roll this dice, it goes to Mattis, and I seriously reckon it's weighted.
So is it weighted? It's weighted.
It's not weighted.
I had nothing to do with it, though.
It might be, but I didn't do it on purpose.
I told her it's because Mattis is heavier than Ayla. That's why I'm sorry.
That's his dad joke.
Mattis weigh? How much does Mattis
97
weigh?
pounds.
Oh. Yeah, he is.
How much is
he
Django?
big. Django's probably like a good 78.
Oh, really? He looks big.
Yeah.
What's that in kilos?
No.
He's,
no, we don't do
no.
kilos. That's crazy.
That's pounds. Sorry.
Well, it sounds big.
I don't have my. Yeah, he's a decent size, but he helps me out with his little bit of weight. I'm lucky. He's a medium size.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Cool.
So I gotta tell you, every solid black German Shepherd I have ever trained or been bitten by has been amazing. I absolutely love them. I think they're amazing dogs.
Well, I think he's pretty amazing. We have our ups and downs, obviously, in the K9 world, but together, I feel really good with him, and
That's awesome.
I think he feels really good with me, and that's a bonus. But he's a bit of a child, and I'm a bit of a mother. I'm a little like strict on him, but he kind of just pouts and he's like, "Fine, I'll do it."
Yeah.
Sounds like a good team. And on that, can you tell us a little bit about actually where you are and a bit about Django?
Yeah, I'm in Southern California. I work for the city of Santa Paula. It's a little tiny city in Ventura County. It's about 4.7 square miles altogether.
Wow.
But we have over 30,000 in population.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. But Django and I are one of the K9 teams that patrol the city. We have one other team, Officer Gates and K9 Ace, not Instagram people. But he's Django's dual trained. He's apprehension, narcotics detection. He's a good sniffing dog for the most part.
Nice.
When we're on it, and he loves the bad guys though.
Oh, that's awesome. I love it. Does he do tracking
Excellent.
as well?
We haven't gone to hard surface tracking to that training, but he can do basic tracking.
That's awesome.
And we get it every once in a while. But
Gotcha.
he does really great on article searches and stuff. So
Fantastic. Now,
What would you call a skivvy? Is it something like this, or is it one of the? Is it a top that goes up like this?
skivvies.
Yeah, what
Skivvies?
skivvies like underwear, like
I told you. So we were talking about the Wiggles. Are you familiar with the Wiggles?
I know of them. Yeah.
You know of them? All right.
Yes.
Kids show, right?
Yeah.
And they wear turtlenecks. And
yeah.
Emma's like, oh, the kids that are the guys that wear skivvies. And I'm like, what?
Skivvies.
Skivvies?
Yeah.
No, that's raw. Like a kids show where people wear underwear? No. Gross.
You guys don't call them turtlenecks?
Well, they're called turtlenecks as well, but that's more of a thicker, thing that comes up. Whereas that's
So
a skivvy, like a little long sleeve t-shirt and a high neck is just a skivvy.
Yeah,
Skivvy.
anything that covers the neck is a turtleneck. That's what
Yeah.
Which makes sense.
Or a
But
mock
we don't-
turtleneck. Like a smaller one's a mock turtleneck.
A mock
It only goes
turtleneck.
down
And
here,
if it's just the neck part and it's cut out like through here, then it's a dickie.
Okay.
I actually didn't know that.
You
one.
didn't know that?
No.
It's a dickie.
Fun facts.
Yeah. Hey, what does dickie mean in Australian? Is it something different?
Yeah, it'd be something different. Yeah.
Okay.
Probably.
I can already tell where that's going.
I didn't make that up. It's
You can
true.
get a dicky bow. Okay.
A what?
Dicky bow?
A dicky bow.
bow tie?
This
Yeah,
is
bow tie.
taking a turn.
Yeah, a bow tie is a dicky bow.
What? That's crazy.
Oh, I guess it goes around the neck.
So I knew.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, we're going crazy here.
All right.
Let's do this.
Storm wants to play. She's jumping up. Look at her go.
We're gonna have to put Storm on the dice eventually.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
We're gonna have to.
She's adorable.
Oh, here's Ayla, ready and waiting for the dice to roll onto Matter so she can just have her breakfast and get on with her day.
That's right. She knows. She knows how it
All
goes.
right.
Here we go.
Here it
Do you have a
goes,
preference, Heather?
Do I?
Yeah.
No, I do not.
You're like,
Ayla,
bring it. I don't care who it is.
I don't care. Let's do it.
All right,
like it.
here it goes. Ready? Up. Oh, it's the ginger dog. Ayla!
I'm so sad.
Oh, buddy! Oh, she's excited. She's shaking. Oh,
She's
the
like,
tail's
yes!
wagging. She's like, finally!
That's awesome.
And no, I didn't reweight the dice.
I think you totally did. I think you kicked it.
I've been celebrating it on May 13th, but I just got his passport from Germany. I was wrong. His birthday is on May 12th, so I missed it.
Oh, wow.
Well, the thought was there.
Yeah.
So-
You know, he could have
Now
told
I'll
you.
get it right. I know, right?
The same thing happened. Well, not the same thing. She didn't get her passport from Germany. But my mom always thought her birthday was in May 15th or May 16th.
Oh.
And she finally saw her birth certificate. It's May 15th. So for like 60 years, we celebrated it on the 16th. And now it's the 15th.
Are you kidding? My mum's birthday is the 15th of May. You and I
way!
are like,
We're like soul
parallel.
twinsies.
I tell ya,
Wow.
our
That's
dogs
awesome.
have the same birthday. Our mums have the same
left
birthday.
out.
When's your
No,
birthday?
because we're close enough, Heather. Because
Yeah.
Mattis's birthday is May 28th. Ayla's birthday is May 28th.
Oh,
and
wow.
Django's May 12th or 13th.
12th, yeah. I mean, I was just going to say, my mom's birthday is
Those-
September 15th. So,
Oh, yeah.
but-
Oh,
Mom's way
well,
up.
there you
the right
go.
number, but the
Mom's-
same number,
Mums and
so-
15, right?
Yeah. I just
Actually-
wanted to feel cool.
You still are.
Come on, Ayla. I'm going to take Ayla in a different area today that we don't normally work in.
Oh,
Oh, I gotta show
okay.
you. Look at the size of that paw print. You see
What?
that?
Oh my
Oh my God! Do you have bears in your yard?
That's my dog.
Oh man.
Oh man, that's crazy. That is full on.
So what is Django going to be looking for today?
Django's actually gonna look for methamphetamine. We have
Ooh,
training
nice.
drugs, so it's our most. I don't want to say popular, but our most common narcotic drug in our city. So we work on it a lot. But he's trained in methamphetamine, cocaine, heroin, and MDMA.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah.
Very nice.
He will hopefully find the drugs for you guys.
I'm sure he will. As long as he finds it second.
Well,
Yeah. Well,
I'm kidding,
All right,
I'm
all right.
kidding.
I see.
This is all for fun. This is all
are
for
you
fun.
familiar with our side bets, Heather?
no, I'm
Oh!
not, actually.
Well,
Have you ever tried
I've-
Vegemite?
I have. It's gross.
yes.
Would you prefer a tattoo or would you prefer Vegemite?
What is that?
Tattoo.
Oh, I don't care. I love tattoos.
Oh.
Okay,
Wow.
so if you lose, you can get a tattoo of Ayla,
Ayla.
a kangaroo, or Vegemite. A tattoo of Vegemite, or you can just eat Vegemite. It's kind of,
Yeah,
you know,
I'll eat
whatever.
Vegemite for you guys.
Oh, you don't
Well,
want to
hey,
Ayla. Hey,
all
hey.
you have to do is win. Don't worry about
Yeah.
it. Just win.
And then I'll eat the Vegemite.
no,
You like
no.
Vegemite.
I know.
Oh,
That's right.
see, they don't realize mine's a tattoo. They think it's a bracelet, actually.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you have
What does that
rules
say?
with your police department?
Mine, it's actually Dutch on my wrist. It says athlete, life, love, family, and beast. Beast was my nickname in college, so that's
Nice.
Did you play sports?
yeah. I swimmer in a water polo player.
That's awesome.
cool.
And you got the nickname Beast? That's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You drowned
very
some
cool.
girls, didn't you?
I mean, they're not around to tell the story, so.
Oh, I tell you what, I'm glad I'm over here in Australia. I don't want to win.
dude.
I don't want to win.
Australians are tough at water polo. You guys have a great team.
Oh, I've never played. I'm actually terrible in the water. So,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Oh, I love the water.
Yeah.
Apparently, that's awesome.
Yeah. But
I like it. I like the
not to,
spot.
Like, I don't want to bring Mark down, but I'm 5'10".
What?
I heard.
Hey, you couldn't bring him down. He's already down there.
I am. Oh, Emma. Emma, we are the same size, you and I. We are the same size.
I know. But
I know. She knows,
but it's funny to pick on you though.
right?
Yes.
Thanks.
That's all right.
Hey,
All right, let's hide these things.
I was just saying, you can put your age
Ayla,
wherever
wait.
you want, and feel
Wait.
free to cheat because we've actually had people on the show before that have cheated.
What? Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I don't.
I'm a
I don't want to start a
competitive person,
controversy.
but I don't like to cheat. I'm
Good.
I
Good
only
for
like
you.
to cheat at Monopoly.
Yeah, whatever. That's
Games,
okay.
So just don't play Monopoly with me, and you'll be okay.
Is it when you're the banker? Is that what it is?
Oh my God, yes. You take a couple fives for yourself, and then they turn into tens, and then hundreds, and what can I say?
Hey, look, come.
That's awesome.
So,
Gotta go.
All right.
you guys want me to show you where I've hidden mine?
If you'd like to.
Yep, sit.
Because I want you guys to know that I'm a
I trust
fair
you.
person here.
I trust you.
I just gotta figure out how to flip my camera on here for you guys. You can see it's like a little
Nice.
walkway here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's right here under the vent.
Ooh,
Oh, okay.
nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Hey, look,
Okay.
come.
How far away are you going to start from?
I will start from his tunnel. Give me
Okay.
2 seconds to. I'm just leave it. Thank you. Good boy.
All the German
Now
commands
I'm gonna-
are reminding me of my first dog. I love it.
Do you teach Madison?
He's Dutch. He's trained in Dutch.
Dutch. Oh, okay, Dutchy.
Yeah. No, well, he's not Dutch. He's just trained in Dutch.
He's just trained in Dutch. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. All right, I'm gonna try this again for you guys.
Okay.
Where is kennels at?
Come on.
This is completely on the other side of the house. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
So,
Hey, look.
I'm giving you pretty good leeway. Here, food.
Yeah, you are.
Come on.
Ayla's fast. Like I would.
I'm going to
Yeah.
take her, because you're up there, I'm going to take her all the way up the house here. So she has to actually, I've come out the front of my house. I'll let you
Such a
go
good looking
around.
dog. Okay,
Yeah, he is.
so
Leave it.
Heather, the way that we'll do
Hey,
it
quick.
is I'm actually gonna I'll count down, and I'll say 3, 2, 1, find it, and that's when you give Django the command to go find it. Okay.
Copy that.
Okay. Our porch is
That
beautiful.
is the front porch. Ayla.
I've never seen that part of your house before. Okay,
Yeah,
so here we go.
well,
2 seconds. Hold on.
Oh.
Out.
Oh.
Stand by. Sit. Live.
Wait. She's trying to already switch.
Here
I'm
we
already
go.
trying to cheat. No, I'm kidding.
I don't care. It's okay.
Get back.
He wants to go. It's all right.
Yeah, he does. Here. Sit. Collar. Oh, good collar, Baba.
Oh.
All right, he's ready.
Okay. Here we go. The real deal. 3, 2, 1. Find it.
Find it! Find it. Oh, gee, she's off.
Oh man, Ayla is flying. Django is flying.
Alert! Oh, good girl! Good girl!
Wow, she nailed it. She put it. Heather, she put it 4 feet away.
Unbelievable.
She put it 4 feet away.
Show me.
And she literally has
Show
like
me.
9 different finds
Show
out in
me.
the yard. Yeah, Django!
Show me!
Good job.
That was cool.
Django literally had to go around the house. Ayla had to go 4 feet.
Oh, 4 feet. She was on the front porch. She had to run out the front.
She totally.
she's still
she was on a
going.
beeline, and
She
so was
was.
Django.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
I
buddy.
can't
That
wait to
was
watch
so
that back
cool.
so I can actually see Django.
Django was flying. It was awesome. He actually had. Yeah, it was very cool. It was neat watching him work out. That was so good.
That's good boy.
Oh, is that a girl?
And Ayla did so good
Oh,
too.
good girl.
Yes.
He was fired up, man.
She was.
She was really amped then. She just wanted to go and search. She hasn't, well,
Yeah.
she hasn't had a go in how long?
I know.
upset that I didn't
No.
get to go against Mattis.
Oh, wow! A little trash talk about my dog.
She's been amped up. She hasn't gotten to go. You guys
That is
said
so
the dice
true.
always lands on Mattis.
That's so true. That's so true.
Oh, but no, that was great. She's such a good dog.
Yeah,
she's
well-
pretty cool.
And also, Emma calls alert like really early too. So
Hey,
we'll have to go back and watch the tape. We're gonna have to go back and watch the tape.
do you know what?
I
This
should've
time, I didn't even call it until she had sat. I was like, nah, I'm not doing it. He gets me every time. He says, oh, that's not even an alert. And that's had me lose before, so.
No, she is quick, man.
That was she was flying.
I know she did. She was so up for it today. But do you know what's funny?
Let's-
I gotta show you this. Oh, why isn't it turning?
Wait,
So today I didn't have any of her usual treats, and I know she also loves carrot, so I've actually just chopped up some carrot as her reward today.
Oh my gosh, that poor dog.
Wow.
You get
She
that dog
loves
some
it.
kangaroo meat or something.
Go get some roadkill off the side of the road. Hey,
Carrot.
Annabelle, this is how much she loves carrot. She'll go back to it. Watch this. Anna, find it.
She's like, oh, more carrots.
And she's like, more carrots, more
She's
carrots.
like, I'll find it. Don't worry.
Where? You gotta show me. Oh, there it is. Yeah. She's like, gosh, come on. Give me the carrot. Look at that.
That's awesome. I wish Django worked for carrots, but he doesn't. So.
Well, she is the fit dog, so, you know, she's gotta eat carrots.
That's right.
Oh yeah.
Hilarious. How many are you looking for?
Django also did lose to a dog wearing a sweater vest as well.
He
A
did.
skivvy.
He did.
A dog skivvy.
Skivvies.
He did. But you know
That's
what?
it.
Django can still walk with pride because his handler is over 5'5".
Oh, Heather!
Oh,
Wow. Did you talk to Brittany before this, or did Emma give you some lines?
Some people
I think
might
she's
have
actually
said to
taken
bring up
the
your
Mickey
height.
on me there.
Wait, I want to know who said that. Who said to bring up my height?
Brittany did.
That's awesome. She's tiny. Okay, she is a
She
little
is.
girl.
I got to meet her in Vegas for the K9 conference,
Oh, nice.
and so I was like standing with everybody. I'm like, man, I feel really tall.
She's actually like only 1 inch shorter than me, I think. Maybe.
I know, and that's why I think it's funny that she gives you a hard time about your height.
But I mean, to be fair, for an adult male, I am small. I'm not K9 Hilo Joe's small, but I am small.
How tall is he?
He's
said
like
he had 2 inches
4'9".
on him.
I think he's 4'9".
No. That's mean.
Oh no.
He's
Joe's
like the
awesome.
world's nicest guy. That guy.
Well,
Apart from
I don't
yourself,
know.
seriously, come on. But
no, well, there's so many world's nicest guys that we've talked
I know.
to.
We've
Like,
talked to
there's
so many good people.
Yeah.
And you're like one of the
Oh, you
world's
guys
nicest chicks. So, we're
For
just
sure.
keeping it rolling.
Well,
Yeah.
Awesome.
I gotta be
That's
honest.
what
That the two girls that we've had on, and you, Emma, are all kind of snarky, a little snarky.
Snarky.
You're quick to bust on the little fella over here. So I don't know if we can call you the nicest people. Witty, bold,
Got to keep you in your place. That's why.
funny. I respect it.
I
Got to
feel
keep you down to earth. That's all.
I feel like snarky.
I am down to earth, right?
Sorry, Heather.
I was just saying that Mark's a little short-tempered than I thought he would be.
Wow.
Is that because he's short?
Oh, this is great.
This is gold.
This is great.
You guys are awesome. I love what you guys do.
Well, thank you.
Thank you for joining us on our dog off, and what an awesome
You're
competition.
welcome.
And good job,
I-
Django. Thank you for finally letting Ayla have a turn.